They all cut a little bit differently. And you do have the guide here. And this gives you exact measurements, but just use this as a guide. So I'm going to start it at 0. Okay, now that we're ready to test the depth of our planer cuts, get some nice, even, clean 1x material and mark some 1/8 inch lines. So with my lines drawn on my 1x4, my 1x4 is clamped down, I've got my planer set at 0. It's important to see how much material your planer removes when it's set at 0. Now you can see it actually took some material off. Not a lot, but it did take some off, and that's important to know. One of the reasons for drawing these lines at 1/8 inch intervals is because that is the most common amount of wood you will be removing from a door. So now that you have this 1x4 marked with 1/8 inch spaces, practice the different settings of your planer so you'll know what it takes to remove an 1/8 inch from the side of a door. And keep in mind that you always want to remove a little bit of wood at a time. So if you had to remove 1/4 inch from the side of a door, don't go with a real deep setting and try to do it in 2 passes. Try a couple of clicks, see how it looks, and as you get closer to your line, back it off and make the cuts more fine.